These are our al pastor tacos, served with house-made pico and tortilla chips.
More smoked paprika, some oregano. Grab a couple of these. The chipotles. These are guajilos.
Orange juice for the marinade.
Some lime juice for the marinade.
We have this back in the oven, already marinated at the restaurant, but this is the cut of pork we use. Here is our pastor seasoning blend, consisting of salt, paprika, oregano, cayenne, and a little chili powder. Pork, after 2 days of marinating, we're setting on a roasting rack for its final cook. About a quarter cup of lime juice to our onion cilantro garnish. And pineapple tidbits. Pulling the al pastor pork. It has been in the oven at 325 for about an hour and a half now. Add some of our reserved marinade. Okay, we've got a double layer El Milagro corn tortilla. Our garnish, pineapple tidbits, cilantro, and onion. And a little bit of cotija cheese. Cheers.